What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm gonna go through a question from an audience. The question sounds like this: tenancy need to have validity minimum how many months before end will be recognized as rental income? Okay, this question is a little bit different from what I used to have. What I used to have is when start then can recognize as rental income. This one is asked when end, like how much validity period they have. So the bank will recognize the rental income, the tenancy agreement as rental income, as long as it's within the validity period. However, inside a tenancy agreement, got say right, when plus one, or usually it's 1 month before the tenancy ends, you will have to contact the tenant to see whether they want to continue or not, or you want to increase price or not, right? So the bank will follow that guideline in general, which means if today, November, this month November is the end of your tenancy, the bank will request a new tenancy agreement from you or extension letter from you for it to be able to take it as rental income. However, let's just say this month is the second last month and next month is the ending. Usually the bank will just take it as good. Okay? So you need to remember this. If let's just say your loan application you put in end of the month, November, and then you use your rental income to apply for a loan for it to pass. Then December come December, if the bank requests extra document, the bank has the right to request an extension of your tenancy agreement. As you cannot provide, they can reject your loan. Okay? So I hope that answers the question. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us a question down below. My email is down below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button. We talk about real estate, financing, personal finance, and business in this channel. Okay? So I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.